Hi, juniors. This is our new sound that we started today. X, 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 X-ray. X, 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 X-ray. You pretend that you have an X-ray gun in your hand and that you're X-raying everything. X, 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 X-ray. It sounds like a kiss. X, 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 X-ray. X, 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 X-ray. And there is the picture of a x, 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 X-ray of somebody's hand. Now, let's go through the sounds as fast as lightning. See, can you be faster than me? And here we go. Zzz, buzz. Snake. I'm going to go really fast today. Kicking, kicking your leg. Egg. Yummy. Yellow. Yogurt. Gurgle. Vix van. Vix van. On. Nasty noise. Hop. Lollipop. Ooh. Umbrella. Umbrella. Bat. 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 Puff. Puff. West. Wind. West. Wind. Tennis. Rags. Rags. Fish. Jelly. Jelly. Inky. Ants. 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 Marvelous meals. Rubbing your tummy. Marvelous meals. E. Drum. 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 Castanets. Curly. And here's our new sound. X, x, x. X-ray. 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 Ooh, like a ghost. Ooh. Okay. Let's listen to the story about a boy called Max. and his friend Ty, who were out playing. And Ty went climbing a tree and fell off and hurt his hand. And they had to go to the hospital, and he had to have an X-ray. And can you see there where his bone is broken? And there was a box of toys at the hospital, and Max found a X-ray gun. And inside in the box was a book about a fox. And I hope the boys don't have any chicken pox. Did any of you ever get chicken pox? Let's have a quick listen to the story now.
Max and Ty are playing. They are pretending to be spacemen. Max, the alien, chases Ty, the astronaut, up a tree. Ty falls out of the tree and breaks his arm. His dad takes him and Max to hospital, where Ty has an X-ray. Ty has to keep his arm very still while they take the X-rays. The nurse plasters his arm so that he cannot move it, and the bones will mend properly.
X-ray. Now we listen to the song.
Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand.
And again.
Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand.
Okay, let's have a look. Yes, how do we write it? Follow the arrows. Down the hill, then start at the other side, go down the hill the other way, cross in the middle. Let's go here and see. Down the hill, and down the hill, and cross in the middle. Don't cross at the bottom and don't cross at the top. Cross in the middle. So down the hill, then down the hill the other way, and cross in the middle. Down the hill the other way, cross in the middle. Down the hill the other way, cross in the middle. Down the hill the other way, cross in the middle. Okay, and let's just have a quick look at these words. Say the sounds with me. Exam. It's like a test. Exam. 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 X. Mix. X. Mix. X. It. Exit. X. It. Exit. The way out, the exit. X. It. Exit. Box. 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 Fox. for X, fix. Next, next. Next, next. So X, six. So X, six. Wax, wax. Wax, wax. Ox, fox. Ox, fox. Ox, fox. Axe, axe. We never say the magic E at the end of a word. We just say axe, axe. I chop the wood with an axe. Axe, axe. Okay, everybody. And watch this a couple of times, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.